Savage, 22 Win Mag, shooting CCIs, Max Mags, all of one. Give you guys an idea what it sounds like kind of right next to it. That ain't quiet. Didn't even bother my ears at all.